go.
Good girl, Jessica.
Good girl. Give me the fork back. Yeah? Okay. Daddy get some more? Oh, I'm getting some more in there. Don't worry. I know. That's yummy, huh? Good job. I know. Thank you, honey. I know. I'm getting you some more. Here you go.
What's this 10.95 taco?
Good job.
John.
Yummy. Is that yummy? Yummy, yummy. That's a good girl. What's today's date? The 15th of October, 2011. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. I know.
7.
May. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Yeah, there we go. That's goodbye. Alright, good girl.